it's Kathy Bates with Practical Solutions, and today's assignment is organizing your garage. What you'll need are your trash bags and maybe some donation boxes in order to get rid of any trash or donations that are in your garage. A garage is used for storing cars. If you look up the definition, it says for storing vehicles. But many times we have a bunch of junk in our garage while our expensive vehicles sit out on the driveway. So what we want to do is remedy that today and hopefully make some room by the end of the day for your vehicles. So take all those things that you have in your garage and we're going to start to go through them. Be ruthless, get rid of anything that you no longer need or don't know what to do with. Many times we store things from our parents after they pass away in our garage, maybe our kids after they move out. It's time to address those things and try to get what we can out, use the things that we do want out of that stuff. We want to go just systematically through the garage, pulling out things you don't need. You might want to set up a donation pickup with Salvation Army. They're about the best company that picks up. You go to satruck.org, type in the things you want to donate, put in your zip code, and they'll set up a pickup. But go systematically through your garage, getting rid of anything you don't need. Put it out for donate. And then what you want to do as you organize the space is put like items together. So tools in one area, pet products in one area, and you want to get everything up off the ground. So hooks are great. Use the cabinets you have. You'll notice nothing in here is very expensive. I haven't invested in huge organizing systems for the garage. You can always do that. We have recommendations for you if you like. But you can just use simple things around the house like nails to get things up off the ground and have like items together. We're also going to talk about laundry areas. So my laundry area happens to be in my garage. Many of you have them inside the house, but we'll go ahead and address that today. In the laundry area, you want to make sure you have things at your fingertips that you need. Up in the cabinets, I have cleaners that I use less often, in baskets that I can pull down, but my laundry area is clean and ready to go when I need to do laundry, and I've got everything I need at my fingertips, but nothing I don't. So I hope today's video was helpful. Make sure you post those before and after pictures in the comments below on Facebook, or you can email them to us at info@psorganizing.com and we'll be glad to post them for you. Remember, everyone that posts gets a 5th hour free when you book a 4-hour organizing session with one of our organizers at our promotional price of $300. You'll also be entered into the grand prize contest for a free 4-hour organizing session. If you need any help and get overwhelmed during this process, make sure you give us a call. We offer a free organizing needs analysis where we talk about your specific organizing needs and how one of our organizers can help you. We look forward to seeing your progress.